All right, this is the vibrato exercise. It has basically like 4 or 5 different speeds. It has you start out with a dotted quarter with quarter notes vibrato swing. So these are basically exercises with the speeds of how you swing the finger. So when you do vibrato, it's always important to make sure that you start out with a squared off finger, and then you use the finger to go down, and you can also use your joints to kind of flatten a joint and then go back to its original state. You try not to go above. That will make it sound unstable. So when you try this, just try to discipline how you do the vibrato swing. You can perhaps set a metronome like at 80 or something, and then later on you can choose a faster tempo. But here's how this vibrato exercise sounds with everything as written, with the first finger and 4 times each. So here's how it goes. Third time. 4th time. Next rhythm. It's a dotted quarter with 8. Second time. 3rd time. 4th time. Then triplets. Second time. 3rd time. 4th time. 16ths. Second time. 3rd time. 4th time. Optionally, 30 seconds, which is basically like a mature vibrato. And then afterwards, the next finger, so second finger, and you repeat the same process, 3rd finger, pinky, and then different strings. Maybe choose 1 string a day and have fun.